Imagine a world within a world, a place where the boundaries of reality and imagination blur, creating a unique ecosystem that thrives in harmony. A giant organism, a living, breathing entity, housing an entire civilization within its depths. This organism is not just a habitat, but a vital part of the ecosystem, providing sustenance and shelter. This is not science fiction, but a thought experiment, a journey into the realm of possibility. Imagine cities that grow organically, adapting to the needs of their inhabitants. Could we as humans coexist with a colossal life form, not as a parasite, but as a symbiotic partner? This partnership would require a deep understanding and respect for the organism's needs and rhythms. The concept of living within a giant organism challenges our understanding of life and our place within it. It forces us to rethink our relationship with nature and our role as stewards of the environment. We are used to viewing ourselves as separate from our environment, yet this scenario blurs the lines between inhabitant and habitat. It suggests a future where our cities and homes are integrated seamlessly with the natural world. It compels us to consider the interconnectedness of all living things. Every action we take has a ripple effect, influencing the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Imagine cities nestled within colossal chambers, bathed in the ethereal glow of bioluminescent flora. These plants not only provide light, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem's health. Picture vast networks of organic tunnels and arteries serving as pathways for transportation and communication. These natural corridors would connect different parts of the organism, facilitating movement and interaction. This is the potential reality of life within a giant organism, a world where every element is interconnected and every being plays a vital role in the ecosystem's balance. This concept, while seemingly far-fetched, is not entirely implausible. Advances in biotechnology and our growing understanding of symbiotic relationships make this vision increasingly feasible. Nature is replete with examples of symbiotic relationships where different species coexist in mutually beneficial ways. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, life thrives on cooperation. Could humanity, with its ingenuity and adaptability, find a way to thrive within the embrace of a being larger than our wildest imaginations? This vision challenges us to think beyond conventional boundaries and explore new possibilities for coexistence. Life within a giant organism would be dictated by its rhythms. These rhythms would be the heartbeat of the ecosystem, setting the pace for every living thing within, the rise and fall of its breath, a constant reminder of the life force that sustains it, the ebb and flow of its internal fluids circulating nutrients and energy throughout its vast body, the pulsing of its energy, all would influence the daily lives of its inhabitants. Every pulse, every movement would be felt and adapted to. The organism's internal environment would be a complex and dynamic ecosystem. Temperatures might fluctuate, air currents would shift, creating microclimates within, and the very composition of the atmosphere could change subtly over time, influenced by the organism's metabolic processes. Adapting to these changes would be crucial for human survival. It would require constant vigilance and innovation. Imagine the air thick with the scent of exotic flora, each breath a blend of unfamiliar fragrances, the ground soft with bioluminescent moss, lighting up the path with a gentle glow. Sounds of rushing fluids echo through cavernous chambers, creating a natural symphony, while the organism's internal rhythms create a symphony of life unlike anything we know. These sounds would be both alien and familiar, a constant background to daily life. This world would be a sensory marvel, a place where every sense is engaged and heightened, a constant reminder of our existence within a being of unimaginable scale. Living within such an organism would be an experience beyond our wildest dreams, a testament to the wonders of life. The question of sustenance is paramount. How would humans obtain food and energy within this unique ecosystem? The answer lies in symbiosis, a mutually beneficial relationship between two different organisms. We could cultivate crops within the organism's tissues, utilizing its waste products as fertilizer and its internal fluids as a water source. In return, our agricultural practices could provide the organism with essential nutrients. Energy could be harnessed from the organism's own biological processes. Imagine tapping into the electrical currents flowing through its nervous system or harnessing the chemical energy produced by its cells. This symbiotic exchange of resources would be the cornerstone of our survival. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Transportation within a giant organism would be a unique challenge. Its internal structure, a labyrinth of organic tunnels and chambers, would necessitate innovative modes of travel. We might develop vehicles capable of navigating the organism's internal fluids, much like submarines in the ocean. Or perhaps we would utilize the organism's own circulatory system, attaching pods to its internal currents for transportation. Communication would be equally vital. Perhaps we could tap into the organism's own communication networks, utilizing its bioluminescent signals or chemical messengers to transmit information. This world would demand a departure from our conventional modes of transportation and communication, fostering innovation and ingenuity. Section 5. The Cycle of Sustenance. Waste management would be a critical aspect of life within a giant organism. Our waste could be a valuable resource for the organism, providing it with essential nutrients. Imagine sophisticated recycling systems that break down human waste and convert it into usable forms for the organism. This closed-loop system would ensure a sustainable existence, minimizing our impact on our host. Energy production would follow a similar philosophy. By harnessing the organism's natural processes, we could generate energy without producing harmful byproducts. This symbiotic relationship would necessitate a deep understanding of the organism's biology and a commitment to sustainable practices. Section 6. Nature's Blueprint, Echoes of Symbiosis. The concept of living within a giant organism may seem fantastical, but nature already offers glimpses of such symbiotic relationships. Take, for instance, the humble lichen, a composite organism formed from the symbiotic association of a fungus and an alga. The fungus provides structure and protection, while the alga, through photosynthesis, provides food. This harmonious partnership allows lichens to thrive in environments where neither organism could survive alone. Consider the gut bacteria that reside within our own bodies. These microscopic organisms aid in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune system function. In return, we provide them with a stable environment and a constant supply of nutrients. These are but a few examples of the intricate and often unseen partnerships that underscore the interconnectedness of life on Earth. And Section 7. A Future Intertwined. The prospect of living within a giant organism presents both tantalizing possibilities and formidable challenges. Adapting to this unique environment would require technological innovation, a deep understanding of the organism's biology, and a fundamental shift in our perspective on our place in the natural world. Imagine a society where architecture mimics the organism's organic forms, where medicine harnesses the healing properties of its tissues, and where our very survival hinges on a harmonious coexistence with our colossal host. This future, while seemingly distant, serves as a powerful reminder of the boundless possibilities that lie at the intersection of science, imagination, and our innate connection to the natural world. Section 8. The Grand Symbiosis, the Vision of Tomorrow. The image of humanity thriving within a giant organism, while seemingly a product of science fiction, sparks the imagination and challenges our preconceived notions about life and civilization. It prompts us to consider the potential for symbiotic relationships on a grand scale, where the fate of humanity becomes inextricably intertwined with that of another species. This vision of the future, while fraught with challenges, offers a glimmer of hope. It suggests that our future could be one of harmony and balance, where humanity, instead of dominating nature, seeks to coexist with it in a mutually beneficial relationship. Imagine a world where our cities breathe with the rhythm of the natural world. Perhaps, just perhaps, the future of our species lies not in conquering the cosmos, but in fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things, even those on a scale we are only beginning to comprehend. This vision calls us to rethink our place in the world, to see ourselves as part of a larger, intricate web of life. Thanks for listening.